I am Preeti Tikkas, lecturer of Electrical Engineering Department A Shift of Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Now, in this subject, there are six different chapters. From these six chapters, first chapter is electrical wiring and wiring diagram. For this electrical wiring diagram, we need some symbols, electrical symbols. So that's why this is the first topic of our first chapter is electrical symbols. So what is electrical symbols? An electronic symbol is a pictogram used to represent the various electrical and electronics devices such as wire, batteries, resistor and transistors in a schematic diagram of an electrical and electronic circuits is called as electrical symbol. IE rule frame and made compulsory for the electrical installation. So what are the IE rules of frame for the installation? So first one is any type of electrical installation should be more simple and without any complications. Second is the operation control of any types of electrical installation should be more simple. Next is electrical installation should be safe from any electrical and mechanical accidents. That is why the dangers of electrical shock to operate or anybody should be avoided and the risk from fire hazards is also avoided. Due to the IE rule, any type of installation should be unique, simple for the maintenance as well as the repair. So these are the IE rules of frame and it is very made compulsory for the electrical installation. Then next is standards for symbol. So what are the standards for the symbol we should have to take? So there are the several national and international standards for the graphical symbols in the electrical diagram. In particular, EE6I 60617, it is also called as a British Standard 3939, IEEE Standard 91 by 91A, then ANSI Standard Y32, it is also called as a IEEE Standard 315, and next is Australian Standard AS 1102. Different symbols may be depends upon the discipline using the drawing. For example, lighting and the power symbol used as a part of the architecture drawing may be different from the symbol for device used in electronics. National and the local variations to international standard also exist. So these are the standards for the electrical symbols. Then various electrical symbols. So in all types of wiring, house wiring, house using commercial and industrial wiring, and the machine installations, the IS symbol are used in a different diagrams, in a wiring diagrams. This symbol for the various categories are as follows. So first is wire. Wire is a simple flexible strain or the rod of metals. So this wire which is made up of copper, aluminium or any kind of conducting material. Then wire are used to pass the current very easily from the one part of circuit to another. So these are the two different diagrams of wires. So at the dot represents it's a junction, that means it spread out the current in a different path. And second diagram is wire not connected, that means it's a open wire, not connected, current is flow just like through the wires, not distributed at that point when it meet, but it is not exactly meet, it is a different wire, so it's show like this, and the junction wire shows like the dot. Then next is ground. Ground or earth can be referred to the reference point in an electrical circuit from which voltage are measured. A common written path for the electrical current or the direct physical connect to the earth. So these are the different types of grounding images. First one is a chase ground. This is the symbol for the chase ground. Second is a signal ground, and third one is a earthing or grounding. So this symbol shows like this. So whatever may be the in the diagram, when you show the ground, so you must show this symbol at that time. The next symbol for the power sources. First is a fixed power source. So first diagram shows the fixed power source. It has two terminal, one is positive, second is negative, and current will be flow from positive to negative. So the free DC output is fixed to a constant voltage value by using a voltage controller. If it is used to produce DC, a rectifier is used to convert alternating voltage to the direct voltage. Then second is variable power supply. So second figure shows the variable power supply. One is positive terminal, second one is negative terminal. An AC power supply typically takes the voltage from the main and lower it to the desired voltage. Next is the next symbol for the AC current source. AC is the form in which the electrical power is delivered to the businesses and residences. In alternating current, the flow of electrical charges continuously change the direction. Then DC current source. So figure shows the DC current shows. DC is the unidirectional flow of electrical charge. Direct current is produced by sources such as batteries, thermocouple, solar cell, etc. Direct current is used to change batteries and in nearly all the electronic system as the power supply. The next diagram shows the cell or battery. So it is a it supplies the electrical energy. The large terminal on the left is positive while the similar on the right is negative. A single cell is also called as a battery, but strictly the battery is two or more cell joined. Only single terminal is cell and number of terminals is called as a battery. Two or more cells joined together is called as a battery. So this is the symbol for the batteries. Battery supplies the electrical energy to the circuit. It is like cell, but the difference is that the battery consider as a one, but battery is considered the more than one cell. So more than one cell is called as a battery. Then next is switches. First is push switch. The push switch allow the current to flow only when the button is pressed, like switch is doorbell. Doorbell switch is called as a push button switch. So push switch. Then push and brake switch. This type of switch is normally closed, that is on. It is open when the button is pressed. Then SPST, single pole single throw switch, an on and off switch allow the current to flow only when it is closed. Next switch is SPDT, single pole double throw switch. They are designed as on off on switch. Then DPST, double pole single throw switch. A dual on off switch often used to switch main electricity. And last one is DPDT switch, double pole double throw switch. They are used in the motor. So these are the different diagrams for showing. In first diagram SPDT switch, second diagram for the DPST switch, and third diagram is called as DPDT switch. Next symbol for the bulb. It is provide the light when the electric current passes through it. A light bulb produced the light with a filament wire heated to a high temperature by an electric current passes through it until it's glow. Next is lamp. It is a lighting lamp transducer which convert electrical energy into the light. This symbol is used for the lamp providing insulation. For example, a car head lamp or the torch bulb. Then it is indicated transducer that converts electrical energy into the light. This symbol is used for a lamp which is an indicator. For example, a warning light on the car dashboard. Next is fuse. A fuse is a special kind of resistor that acts as short circuit, that means zero resistance, unless the current exceed the rated value. If the current is exceed a rated value, the fuse glow and acts as an open circuit and infinite resistance. Next is circuit breaker. So this is the symbol for the circuit breaker. Circuit breaker is a mechanical switch device capable to protecting the circuit wiring, capable of carrying and breaking current under the normal conditions, and also carrying for a specified time and the breaking currents under the specific abnormal condition, that means short circuit condition. Next symbol for the resistor. Resistor has a different types of resistor. First one is the variable resistor, second is fixed resistor, then potentiometer, then variable resistor preset. So these are the different types of resistors. So first is fixed resistor. This type of resistor resists the flow of current. Second, this type of resistor is used to control the current, known as a rheostat. This is also called as a rheostat. Then is variable resistor, potentiometer. This type of resistor consists of the three contacts. It is used to control the voltage. Then next is variable resistance preset. Preset resistor are also used in circuit when it is necessary to alter the resistance. So these are the different types of resistor. Then these are the diodes. Diodes has also different types. First is Zener diode, tunnel diode, Schottky diode, light emitting diode, then photodiode and varactor diode. So these are the different types of diodes. So what is diode? A device which is only allow the current to flow in the one direction. It has low resistance, ideal zero resistance, to current flow in the one direction and the high resistance in the opposite direction. The next symbol for the generator. The electrical generator is a device that converts mechanical energy into the electrical energy. A generator force electrical current to flow through an external circuit, which flow of mechanical energy may be a reciprocating or a turbine steam engine what falling through a turbine. The next is motor. Motor symbol is similar as a generator symbol. Only difference is that in generator symbol G is right here, right there, and here M is right replacing the G. The electrical motor is an electrical machine that converts electrical energy into the mechanical energy. The normal monitoring mode, the most electrical motor operate through the interaction between the electrical motor's magnetic field and winding current to the generated force within the motor. So this is the symbol for the motor. Then transformer. This is the diagram for the symbol for the transformer. Transformer is a static device which converts mechanical energy into the electrical energy without changing frequency. So this is called as a transformer. This is the common electrical symbol. It is very important to draw the single line diagram as well as the wiring diagram, and symbol is used in anywhere for the installation or drawing of installation. So first symbol is connecting wire, then joints, then after that cross joint, cross wire, then after that cell, batteries, then DC supply, AC supply, coil, then fuse, fixed resistance, variable resistance, thermistor. So these are the symbols which is used to draw the electrical plan. Similarly, these symbols are also used: cell, battery, AC voltage, DC, AC current, then lamp, variable capacitor and the fixed capacitor, SPST, SPDT, wire not crossing, wire connecting, then wire crossing, fuse, resistor, variable resistor, buzzer, speaker. Then after that here fan, lamp, bracket fan, ceiling fan. This is the symbol for ceiling fan. Exhaust fan. This is the ceiling fan, exhaust fan. So this symbol, the lamp with wall, lamp in horizontal, then lamp symbol for the lamp, buzzer, bell buzzer, fuse, elbow. These are fuse. So these are the symbols which is used in installation. Thank you.